Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to set the narration speed in the Audible app. First, let's open up the app. Here it opens up in the home menu. From here we just go into the profile menu, which actually opens up like this. And from here we just go into the top right corner, tap on the cog icon. Then we tap on player. Then we tap on player customization. And here we can add and organize the functions that we have inside the player, and also we can add new functions to this bar. So if we want to remove the clips and bookmarks, we can remove it, and then we can just enter share in its place. Either way, we are going to have 4 of these functions here. So yeah, that's basically it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.